Coming up on AbraKaDabra Adventures.
Okay guys, welcome back to AbraKaDabra Adventures. Today we're going to check out things that's been destroyed by floods.
Alright guys, so today we have the remnants of Hurricane Debby coming through our area. It's been raining since about 2 a.m. Some low-lying areas are flooding.
Have you guys seen that? Like you can see lines flooding?
Yeah, we'll attach a short that we posted to this video. So on the other side of the county from where we live, it's been going nuts all morning with the scanner. They got flooded roadways, cars stuck in flooding. It sounds like they're trying to evacuate some houses. So we're gonna go for a little ride here and see what kind of storm damage we can come across.
Someone's yard, folks. It's
Yeah.
a lake.
Backyard of these residents.
Oh, we have water across the
Yeah,
road.
we do have water coming up across the road. Oh, this whole house here is underwater. We're going across the flooded road right now. We probably should not be doing this.
Yeah, that house is underwater. Like this goes back part.
Remember, folks, turn around, don't drown.
Look at this water rushing. We have a new waterfall that begun here. All the runoff from up the hill there. That's probably contributing heavily to that flooding down there.
Some more flooding here. The cows don't seem to mind. Yeah, that's a cool cow sniffing someone's butt.
You could actually float this.
So this car made it through. We should be good to make it through.
You got the road washed out here a little bit. Creek has crested over the roadway here. Decided to get out and take a look before we drove through here to see how deep it was. Initial reports are saying that we've had about 2.5 inches of rain over the area. We're not quite out of it yet. Here's the water trying to get through the culvert here. Wants to suck you away real quick.
You wouldn't get out of it.
I don't know if you guys can see it too well, but there's a little snake here stuck in the water. I don't know where he went.
Right there, it's gone. Right there.
There he is. There, record it. You're gonna keep it sideways. Come on. Come on, guy. Get on the stick.
Almost had him.
Come on.
Oh! Ah! You had him! Wow. Don't go that way, buddy.
I can't believe I'm playing with a snake.
Whoa!
It's just a little ringneck. Even I know he's not gonna hurt you. Where is it?
Right there. In the weeds.
Kelly would pick him up.
His head's right there. It's in my shoe. Right, no, it's right there now. That's cool.
I saved a snake. I saved a snake. A little ringneck.
Where's he?
He was stuck in the water.
Get back. He's very upset right now. I don't know what to do.
Pick him up.
I'll bite him.
It's a little ringneck. Even I know those aren't dangerous.
He won't hurt ya.
Here comes to bite my toe. Give me a stick. I'm gonna move him up out. Away from this water.
Look at his head there. Don't go.
So one thing we have working out well here is the water levels are coming down very fast. We've only been here for about 5 minutes at this spot. And at the beginning of this clip, I showed you guys this was washing out and it was filled with water running through it. And now this road's almost back to opened up again. So the water levels are coming down. Hopefully the rain has stopped, but I still think we have more rain moving through our region, so we're going to continue on and see what else we can find.
Game commission. Alright, we're coming into the city of Clearfield now. We're coming down the mountain. We're gonna see, this is where there was supposedly roads closed off and major flooding. Get a nice view here coming down the mountain.
Here we found another flooded road here. There's a tree down back behind us. They got the road all blocked off. This is definitely too deep to try to have people driving through. You can see down there, water is up over the guardrails. Here's the river coming behind this house here. We got trees lodged up against the bottom of this bridge. We got roads flooded up there. Look at that. Lots of damage going on here. And we got a truck coming down. Let's see if they want to try to cross this. And it looks like they're being smart and turning around so they don't drown. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. Drop a comment down below. We're going to keep driving around the area and surveying more damage. Okay, so here we are. We're at, I believe this is Whitmer Park in Clearfield, Pennsylvania. There's some ducks playing in the water. This is the river walk. And got like a little boat launch, canoe launch right there. It's underwater. The river walk right down here. There's some benches and places for people to sit, and that is completely underwater. The ducks are sure liking it though. That has got to be one of the biggest mallards I have ever seen in my life.
He definitely is a big boy.
Martin, stay out of the water. The ducks sure don't mind it, that's for sure. All kinds of debris floating down the river. I see a bottle there. Bunch of tree branches.
Look at them beauties.
Hi, duckies. Reports have us finding more flooded roadways right up the road here. So that's going to be our next stop.
Hi, I knew I heard you guys. What are you up to? Yeah, this was a dam. Nice little waterfall here. As you can see, that's non-existent. Don't run away, little guy. We don't know what to do. Don't go in that water. I love baby deer.
Well, this is the end of their line here, it looks like. Can't get past that. So I guess we're going to turn around and head back. There's just flooding everywhere, folks.
You took the call for the incident at AbraKaDabra.
We are almost at the end of our little journey here. We're heading back to our house. So we want to thank everybody for watching. Please, if you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications. If you come across flooded roadways, turn around, don't drown. It doesn't take very much water to swipe your car away and leave you stranded, and our first responders will have to come out and save you, so just avoid that. And we want to thank everybody for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button.